welcome back. So haven't done a video in a while. We've been pretty busy. Life has just been busy. So as you can see in front of me, we are staring at a shed. It is the Keter shed. Found this on Amazon. It is 4 feet wide by 6 feet long. It was put together today, and I really can't speak of how it went together because I had my kids do it. So maybe that does say something for how it is. What it is it's corrugated plastic, most of it, or actually almost all of it except for the trim pieces. And you know, this morning I looked at it in the box, or just outside of the box, and it didn't look like it'd be too sturdy, but now that it's together it looks pretty sturdy. So I guess my first opinions of it, first review, is that it's not too bad. It did take us, as we kind of go around the side here, it did take over 2 weeks to get after we purchased it online. And it does, as you can see, it does have a vent down here. Does have a side window, which is nice, and it does have a what appears to be a decent latch here, so that's nice. Obviously it's not incredibly strong, you know, so if somebody wants to break into it, just like anything else, they're getting into it. But you know, for I do like the latch, and it has another vent here. The one quick thing that I did notice is after you get in here, hopefully it's not too echoey, as you can see in the corners here, I think it's going to be easy for bees or wasps or that type of thing to maybe come in here and make a nest. And then the other thing was, as you go out, try not to hit your head like I just did. That's not where I was going, but the other thing is that I see up here on the roof, you know, as the water runs down, it's going to run in this channel here. So I'm kind of worried about that in the winter, that it might expand and crack. I might put a bead of caulk down on those bottom channels, or at least maybe on all of the channels. So as you noticed, I just talked about going in and out, and I did knock my head on there, but that's not the shed's fault, obviously. So it not a bad shed. I think it was $560, but I guess we'll see how that plays out, and maybe this video will be part of a long-term review, or maybe I'll just do this video separately and then do a long-term review after that. So there you have it. I guess the first impressions of the 4x6 Keter shed, available on Amazon. I do believe you can get it from Lowe's as well, and maybe Home Depot. So there you go. Thank you for watching.